Good evening, friends. Welcome back to my channel, Infinite Trade. My name is Robin, and let's do a Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow. Okay. So, a quick check on a daily time frame. So, we discussed this last time, if you remember, that both Nifty and Bank Nifty on a daily chart. So, this is the kind of Elliott wave theory that they were forming. So, we also discussed truncation in Nifty, if you remember. So this was truncation. So this means that the fifth wave could not surpass the third wave's high, and then it immediately started making the ABC pattern. Okay, so this ABC pattern that we're talking about, the ABC is the corrective wave. So this pullback of the B wave is usually around 0.5 to 0.618. Okay, so how do we come to know that what is the pullback that it has done? Simple, you just put a Fibonacci retracement level from this high to this low, which we already did last time, if you remember, and it has exactly rejected at 0.5 level. Okay, and so there is a scope of going until 0.618, but it rejected from 0.5. So now we need to see if it continues to go down, or is it that it will change its mind, and maybe it can give some more dip like this and then go to 0.618. So even that is possible. So we'll discuss all these levels. So right now keep this in mind. Similarly in Bank Nifty, okay, sorry, it's my mistake. So Bank Nifty, we have it here. So similarly in Bank Nifty, we saw this impulsive waves. So Bank Nifty formed proper Elliott wave theory with all the 5 impulsive waves, and now this is the ABC that we are seeing, that the corrective waves. So we can plot a Fibonacci here also similarly, and I think here also it went up till 0.5. So this is 0.5, 39,717, and we made a high of 39,750. So just about 30 points excess. Okay, so this is what is happening in the daily chart. So we need to see if we continue until 0.618 and then we fall back, or is it that we are really going to take a U-turn from here itself. Okay, so now we'll go to a smaller time frame and discuss all these levels, and before that let's quickly check the data. So this is the data that we have. So FIIs are so they added about 1500 long index futures and about 2300 short index futures. So this means confusion, okay, and not a very big quantity from FIIs. If you look at the options, they're also nothing. They have just about 1000 long on calls and 2500 long puts. So no quantity from FI. This means that they were expecting that something is going to happen over the weekend, and HGX Nifty is already indicating a 240 point gap down opening. So we must keep this in mind. And if you look at pros, I think they are going to have a tough time tomorrow. They have about 2,20,000 call long and about 68,000 put longs. So they'll be in trouble tomorrow if market opens with a huge gap down. And so data from FIIs, they really do not have any positions. So tomorrow definitely they'll create all the positions. Okay, so we'll have to eye on that. So now what you need to do is just one quick suggestion. Mark this Fibonacci from this high to this low and only mark the 0.618 and 0.5 level. So this will be the two resistances, because if it crosses 0.618, obviously will become bullish and we'll think of going long. But here we definitely need these resistances to go short. Okay, so just mark those lines. So I'll show you an example. So this is how I have done it. So this is a horizontal line that I've marked. So both in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So I've done that. Okay. So once you mark this two horizontal lines, the next thing that you need to do is you need to put a Fibonacci from the low of this candle, which is 30th of September, to the high of this red candle, which is 6th of October, both in Nifty, Bank Nifty. So this will help you get the levels for the downside. Okay, so now we'll move to a shorter time frame and discuss how are we supposed to trade this. Okay, so these are the levels that we have. So this up move that came the first time, it will definitely take support at 0.618 if you are clear with the Fibonacci concepts that I explained. So that level is around 17,040. Okay, so this is 17,039. See where SGX Nifty is, it is at 17,070. So we are definitely opening at this point. So when we open at this point, we need to look for some sort of a reversal. Either it can, what usually happens is it will form a double bottom kind of a pattern below this level, or maybe it will put some reversal candlesticks here, or maybe a bullish engulfing here. So some sort of reversal we'll definitely see, and here we'll plan to go long. Okay, with strict SL, and maintain as small SL as possible, because during this volatility we may get our stop losses hit, so we may need a re-entry. But people who do not want to jump right into the trade, they can trade my 5-minute Fibonacci levels. Okay, but other than that, this level definitely sorry, becomes a buying level. So if you buy here, your first target is 17,113, and then the second target is 17,187. So we can eye up till 17,187 for tomorrow. Then maybe probably, I don't know if they'll fill the gap or not, but filling the gap will make this market a little bullish, uh, because this will show up or come up like a strong buying. Okay, so keep that in mind. So tomorrow, like if we open at this place, obviously we'll look for long trades. And in case SGX Nifty recovers a little, and if it opens somewhere at 0.5, so here we'll wait for it to come at 0.6, or we'll see what they are doing in between this level. Okay, so the price action between this level is also very important. Like in 15 minutes chart, this looks like a small level, but when we move it to a 5 minutes chart, okay, it's a big space. So what we need to check out is, in case if they open somewhere here, they'll break it, and we need to see if they are regaining this uh, 0.5 level. So in any case, they'll try to stay above this level. So if that happens, then also we can take a long entry with a small SL, and the target should be 17,200. Okay, so 200 will be somewhere close to this swing. So 200 to 240 is something which we can plan for. So just in case if it is a flat opening, okay, so I don't see a 200-point recovery definitely tomorrow, but just in case, if in the morning there's a sudden some positive news, and market comes up to this place, and if we are opening flat, then we need to wait for 17,200 to break. Okay, so this level. So if this breaks, then we'll take a put for the target of 17,040. Okay, so this should be a target. And on the upside, we'll only trade when it crosses 17,430. Other than that, we'll not take any call trade as of now. Okay, so call trade at this place directly if we open here. So that's how our plan is. So let's discuss Bank Nifty quickly. This is Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty is also quite similar. I have marked the resistances and also the levels on the downside. So Bank Nifty on Friday, it filled this gap eventually, so this is something good. So at least we don't have a confusion that when it will go to fill this gap. So tomorrow if Bank Nifty opens, Bank Nifty also may open around 38,500 or 38, I think somewhere between 38,500 to 38,750, because the closing is somewhere close to 39,200. So a 240 points gap down in Nifty translates to around 500 to 600 points gap down in Bank Nifty. So it should open somewhere here. Okay, so keep this in mind. So in case Bank Nifty opens here and if it breaks this level, that is 38,750, then go short with a strict SL. Okay, because the buyers who are here, they are definitely screwed if it opens here. So we'll buy put, and the next target should be 38,500. Okay, here we'll book the full profits because this is 0.5. Both these levels are strong reversal levels, so it may take halt or either it may go sideways for maybe for an hour or so, and then in the second half it may try to recover. So downside, this is how we'll plan. Once they break 38,750, we'll trade for this range. In case of a flat opening and they continue higher, in Bank Nifty you can try a call option. Your target should be 39,600. Okay, and flat opening, and if they are coming down to this place, I think this area will be a no trade zone because Bank Nifty consolidated here a lot. So only when they break this range is when you need to take a trade. So on Friday, definitely they broke this range on the upside, but the market is about to open on the downside. Okay, so a hell lot of confusions here. So the best trade would be it opens somewhere at this place. Okay, and in case if it goes up, then this is a place you're definitely going to go for a put. Okay, so gap down opening, it definitely makes sense that it is something bad is happening around, so nobody would like to carry on their bullish positions. So we'll just see if they show a recovery until this place, then we'll buy a put, and I think slow and steadily this may trade here. So we already discussed this is a no trade zone. So if this level breaks further, then we can actually carry that position also. Okay, so as I said, this is a no trade zone, but at this place we can buy a put. Don't recommend a call here, but in case if we break this level on the downside, we'll buy a put. Okay, so no scope of gap up, so let's not discuss that. So this is my view on Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow. I hope you all got it. People who have any confusions with these levels, don't worry, you can definitely go and trade my Fibonacci 5-minute candle levels. That will also work wonders. And people who haven't watched it yet, please go and watch it. It's a beautiful video, and that video will definitely help you become a very good trader. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.